Hi, I am Jennifer Barreto. I am a student at UNAD of Business Administration. This is activity number 4, my unusual situation. I am going to tell you about my unusual situation. For 6 years, I have been scared of bulls since my sister Alejandra and me had a terrible experience. We have been visiting Gama in Cundinamarca. We have been walking all the route all morning with my uncle Leudes and my uncle Luis. It was then that we saw an angry bull come down from the hill directly toward us. We have been that the owner has not been able to contain him, and we have screamed. First, he has hit a tree, then he has hit a fence. Finally, he has going towards us. My sister and me have run. I was very scared and I thought that we were going to die. We had cried. Everything that has happened very quickly. Fortunately, we have gotten to flee. Since that day, I had dreamed with bulls running after me, and when I was traveling to my family's country house, they had tried to convince me to work alone on the road, but I haven't gotten over it. Thanks.